All right, patio furniture. We do this once or twice a year, depending on if the owners are going to be here or not. So we usually come here and freshen them all up before the owners come here on their little vacations. They have multiple houses like this. This is a huge house, and this is a winery, and this is theirs too. Ain't that nice? So yeah, usually pretty dirty, a lot of debris and stuff like that. But they're actually not looking too bad at all this time, other than a lot of debris. Pet hair stuff. We got a little pet hair remover, knock that stuff off. A hand brush that we forgot, so we're gonna have to shake it out. But generally, basically just organic. And this is wine stuff, right? So food and wine, and stuff like that. So yeah. So what we use is we use carpet details on all this. We go ahead and spot everything with our Go-Oxy diluted, so peroxide. And I think they actually bought new ones of these because these were really bad shape. It looks like they bought some new ones. This is gonna make it easier for us. Yeah, so beautiful wine country here in Paso Robles, California. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, that's basically where we're located, San Luis Obispo County. Wine country, a lot of beautiful homes and sceneries. So if you're thinking about starting a carpet cleaning business, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell, because that's what this channel's all about, you know. All right, Jose's getting everything set up. Stay tuned. So I just go around with my organic spotter, and just from the get-go, and just hit anything that looks like wine spills or some kind of spills that are organic. Doesn't it look good? I don't know what that is. Anything dark, I'm just gonna assume it's wine. That way it has plenty of time to dwell, you know, till we get to it. The pre-spray and do our normal cleaning. There you go. Now, I did tell you I'm only it looks like new furniture, patio cushions. Some do, some don't. I'm not sure what this is. This might be some kind of a mildew stain or something like that. That probably is not going to come out looking too beautiful. But we'll spray with this. Let it get some dwell time. So I didn't know, actually Jose noticed all these. So I did test her to see if we're still cleaning these ones. Yeah. Yeah, these ones are pretty bad. Bird poop. Peroxide. So yeah, these ones are gonna be a challenge, but hopefully we are, you know, since we're here, we do as much as we can do. Get that ticket as high as possible. Now we got one job after this. done. So what I do now is I just go through, and I already did through here. So I go through any stains, because not all stains can be removed. Many of these stains have probably been here since we started cleaning these things. But I do a little walkthrough. I gotta lay those out. And any stains, dark spots, stains that didn't come out, I do a little post-spray organic. And as it dries, as it dries, it should remove. Well, if it's gonna be removable, it'll remove it, right? If not, it's a permanent stain. So a lot of permanent stains throughout here. But they did upgrade a lot of these cushions, but not all of them. I'll show you which ones they didn't upgrade. What they did upgrade. So these are new chairs, new cushions, beautiful, so easy. These are the old ones. Yeah. Finally they replaced them, but yeah, that stuff ain't going nowhere. It'll look a little better once it dries, but yeah. Was about time. Here's some new ones that get dirty. So we clean those. So that's it. I'll leave the ticket at the end of the video. Patio furniture cleaning, I wouldn't show too much of the process. It's just the same as anything. Pre-spray, agitate, and extract. All right. See you in the next one.